The USA is home to some fantastic cities and sights. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the most popular places to visit in the USA. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So arguably the most popular thing to do in America is to see the Statue of Liberty. This is one of the most iconic and recognizable landmarks in the whole world, which is just one reason why it should be on your USA bucket list. Take a tour over to Liberty Island and Ellis Island, or choose one of the many boat tours that travel around the Hudson River and offer fantastic views of the Statue of Liberty and the New York skyline. Next, we have the White House. As the official residence of the President of the United States, the White House is not only iconic, but it is also a historic building in the heart of Washington, D.C. This is a beautiful, massive building with a cared-for front lawn. There are tours available for free, but exploring the nearby monuments and catching a glimpse of this famous landmark is enough reason to visit the Capitol. Las Vegas offers everything and more along its iconic strip. Head along the Las Vegas Strip, visit the luxury hotels, enjoy the casinos sensibly, check out the fountains of Bellagio, and eat plenty of food at the Vegas buffets. If you have the time, make sure to head up the Eiffel Tower replica outside the Paris Hotel, take a gondola ride around the Venetian, then see the views of Vegas from above on the High Roller. Another New York City attraction and a very popular thing to do in America is visit Times Square. This is a lively, vibrant, and exciting place to visit, connecting visitors to plenty of the best attractions in New York. Head here during the morning to take a sightseeing bus tour or buy Broadway tickets from the ticket office. Then come back in the evening to see Times Square lit up. The next thing to do in the USA is to visit Golden Gate Bridge. The iconic Golden Gate Bridge is a must for those visiting San Francisco. The landmark can be seen in many TV shows and movies, but seeing it in person is something very special. Walk across the bridge and head to one of the many viewpoints nearby for some fantastic shots, especially at sunset. A very popular place for many visitors is Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Disney World offers 4 exciting theme parks, 2 water parks, and Disney Springs, a hub of stores, cafes, and restaurants. All of these spots are connected through a variety of Disney hotels, each with a different theme or style and catering to various budgets as well. Although this next attraction borders the US and Canada, Niagara Falls is still one of the best places to visit in America and a very popular option with both Americans and Canadians. The American side of the falls is a calm and quiet state park, whilst also offering an observation deck and the Maid of the Mist, a boat tour that will take you up close to the falls themselves. If you are looking for a little more adventure, head to the Cave of the Winds to feel the full force of the falls. Another popular destination in the USA is the historic Mount Rushmore. Located in South Dakota, this landmark is often overlooked by international visitors, but should be on your USA bucket list. This national memorial features historical figures carved into the mountain, picturing George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt. Standing above St. Louis is the famous Gateway Arch. This landmark welcomes travelers to the city and beyond, being a symbol of the westward expansion of America. You can visit the Arch Visitor Center and Museum, then take a tram ride to the top. And our final landmark is the Hollywood Sign, a 45-foot sign overlooking LA. Whether you have seen it in the movies or pictures, the Hollywood Sign is iconic and a must-see for visitors. You can't hike up to the letters themselves, but there are plenty of great spots to see the sign, whether from Griffith Observatory, Lake Hollywood Park, or the Hollywood and Highland Shopping Mall along Hollywood Boulevard. Watch this video to find out the best things to see and do in the USA. Then, to learn about some of the most romantic places to visit in America, watch this video. Whichever of these popular attractions you decide to visit, we hope you have an amazing time and stay creative.